In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to share a photo album on your iPhone. To share a photo album, first of all, we have to create a shareable photo album. To do that, go to your iPhone settings, tap on your name, and tap on iCloud. Tap on See All next to Save to Cloud. Tap on iCloud Photos, and here you get this shared album option. So must enable this shared album first of all. Now go to your iPhone Photos app, tap on Collections. Here, come to this album section, tap on Albums. Here, tap on this plus icon, select, sorry for a mistake, under Albums we have to select Shared Album, and from Shared Album tap on this plus icon, and now write here your shared album name, and if you want you can add a bigger name from here just like this. Then tap on Add Photos, and now go ahead and select one or multiple photos to the specific album just like this. Tap on Done, and we can see photos added. Now tap on Add Participants. Now go ahead and add participants' email or mobile number whom you want to send the album link to join. Just tap on Add Participants and add participant just like this. Then tap on Done, and now just tap on Create, and our invitation link will be sent to the participants' email or mobile number, and after tapping on the link they will be able to easily access your album. That's how you can actually do it. Thanks for watching.